reverse it. All right. Well, I talked about writing one-step inequalities again. Here are some key words that help you identify what type of inequality to use. So let's go ahead and look at this. Ling earns $15 per hour working at the zoo. Write and solve an inequality to determine the number of hours Ling must work in a week to earn at least $225. Then interpret the solution. So write and solve an inequality to determine the number of hours Lynn must work. Okay, she works $15 per hour. So let's say H, it stands for the number of hours. So $15 times the number of hours she works, and she wants to earn at least 225. So looking up here, I see at least right here. So I need to use the greater than or equal to symbol. All right. So to go and solve this, we'll divide both sides by 15. And cancels out, leaves me with H is greater than or equal to, let me grab my calculator real quick. I can't remember what that is. It may be 150, it may be 15. So 225 divided by 15 is 15. That's right, because 225, the square root of 225 is 15. Anyways, we'll get into that later. But so what this means is that she has to work 15 or more hours in order to earn that's at least 225. All right, last one. Mrs. Miller is buying wax to make candles. She wants to make at least 35 candles and needs 6.5 ounces of wax for each candle. Write and solve an inequality to determine the amount of wax that she needs to buy. So when I'm writing an equation or an inequality from a word problem, I always put my variable on the left. Okay, so I see that she's used 6.5 ounces of wax for each candle. So I'm going to put I'm sorry. Let's see. Amount of wax she needs to buy. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make see no. Um, oh, I know. Okay. I'm sorry. I had a brain blip. Okay. So W is going to be the amount. Oh, wait. No, no, no. Hold on. I'm sorry. I apologize. I feel really bad because I didn't prepare for this. All right. So 6.5 times X. Okay. We want to know total. Okay. So W equals the amount of wax. The total amount. Okay. To find that, what I'm going to do is I know that the total amount of wax divided by the number of candles that she makes is going to give us the amount of wax she needs for each candle. So it says at least 35 candles. So at least means greater than or equal to. So now my strategy is going to be to multiply both sides by 35. So multiply by 35, multiply by 35. 35's cancel out, leave me with W is greater than or equal to, now I'm going to grab my calculator, 6.5 times 35. That means she needs, yeah, there we go. That makes sense. Okay. Ounces. Okay, so the amount of wax she needs is 227.5 ounces or more. Okay, so we're interpreting it. She needs 225 7.5 ounces of wax or more. I'm sorry it took me a little while to get that one. I had to wrap my brain around it. It's late. I'm tired. Sometimes that happens. All right, so catch you tomorrow. Or actually, catch you on the flip side. That's